Now we're going to talk about some of the restoration tools. For example, in this shot, let's say I want to get rid of the power outlet down here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the toolbar and click and hold. We've been using the eyedropper tool, or sorry, the red eye tool, but there's a lot of other restoration tools right in this area. So for example, let's grab the patch tool. That would be the best tool for this. And this is really easy. The trickiest part is just simply dragging and drawing a circle around it. So I'm going to click and drag. Doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, it's a little rough. And then I'm going to put my cursor inside of here and drag out. And you can see that it's making another shape over here, and I get to pick where on the image I want to suck up pixels from, and it'll place those pixels in this area. Now that you know about selection, the keyboard shortcut for deselecting it would be Control D, and it's fixed.